Are you ready? Are you ready to expand your vocabulary some more? I hope so. You're going to go back and take a look at a couple of the texts we looked at earlier this week. Find words in there, write their definitions, and then write your own sentence, just like you did last week, but with new words from new texts. Just a reminder, like before, if you will want to go open up this text so that you can find them in their sentence, because remember, sometimes different words mean different things depending on their context. So you'll want to find the context that these words are in. Now, you open up the assignment in Kami. Remember, it tells you the page that they are on so that you can easily go find it in the text. You don't have to search too hard. You obviously will need to look on that page. I didn't put the sentence for you, but go find it on that page. Now, remember, to figure out what they mean, you can either use what you already know or use context clues in the sentence or the paragraph or on the page. Maybe there's a text feature that helps you understand, or you can go look it up in a dictionary. Just make sure if you look it up in a dictionary that you do understand what the definition means, because remember, you have to write your own sentence using the word. This is not just copying the sentence from the text. This is writing a new sentence with the word in it. So abundant. Let's make sure. You can also use this link here. If you click there, you should be able to open it. So, sometimes that happens where you have to log in with Google. No problem. So that first one, okay, page 12, I'm looking for the word abundant. So I can just click this arrow, go find page 12. We'll put it back down so it makes it a little bigger. Okay, from a field in the fertile river bottom, my mother and aunt gathered an abundant supply of corn. Okay, so that I found the word right away in that first sentence. Near our teepee, they spread a large canvas upon the grass and dried their sweet corn in it. So sometimes it can be helpful to get a bigger sense, not just that sentence, but read the other sentences around it. Okay, so they gathered an abundant supply. I wonder if it could mean a lot, could mean a little. This is when I'm going to go look it up to see. Once I look it up, then I'll go back, I'll type my definition in here, and then I'll write my own sentence. I brought an abundant amount of cookies to the party so everyone could have one. Because it does mean a lot. I will tell you that one. Abundant means a lot of something. So then write the definition, use it in a sentence. Remember, you need to do these first four. The red ones, those are must do. The yellow are should do. I would like you to do them, but you do not have to do those next four. This is a good chance to practice some words, learn some new words, review some words you know, and practice using them in sentences so that we can then get more comfortable using them in other writing that we do. Because that's the ultimate goal when we learn new words, is to incorporate them into our own vocabulary when we're talking and when we are writing. So good luck. Remember, use a dictionary. Use what you know, use context clues, word parts if that is helpful to you as well. Good luck learning those new words.